Today we're going to look at finding the equation of a circle, and we've been given the centre, 1, -1, and another point, 4, 3. This is the general equation for a circle, you'll recall, and we can figure out that we've actually got the centre point, so we've got that information of what h and k is, but we don't know what the radius is. So because we need to find r, I'm going to get r by itself, or make it the subject. And so I'm just going to do the square root of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. And now I'm going to substitute in my information that I have. And that is that I know what x and y are, and I also know what h and k are, because that's where the centre is. And so now I can find r by substituting these bits of information in. And when I do that, I get the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is 9 plus 16, which is 25, and so the square root of 25 is 5. So therefore, the equation of the circle is x minus 1 squared, because we know that centre point, y plus 1 squared equals 25 r squared.